Do-it-yourself Del here. We're going to do a video on things, just miscellaneous items. So we're going to update this business of our big heavy pegboard. We had a previous video showing it installed, and this is what we're using it for. These containers here, and here are for smaller items like I'm always looking for pens and stuff, and some of these items, like a level here and a hacksaw and a caulk. The colder weather, I'm in a saw. I'm always out going to the garage to get tools, and this way the tools are here. There's still more room here for more, but like a putty knife as well, and we got these markers for our whiteboard. What else? So that was our previous. We showed you installation, and I'm really glad that we installed this, because it is working, doing what it was designed to do, and it's still a work in progress, and there's still spaces to be filled out. And as I showed you in a previous video, we've got plenty of pegs and plenty of items for securing, say with a hook like this. We've got these plastic items that hold the hook down, so you can put stuff on, take stuff off without the hook coming off, and that's working out pretty good. So I just wanted to update you on that, and said that, and there's no law in the future after these projects die down that this could be taken down, but for now, especially in the weather changing, this is going to be this room itself has got the two other pegboards and the one behind the camera there, and those are all filled up more than this. They've been there longer, but this is going to end up being filled up as well. So let's go outside and update on the searchlight and the cameras. Do-it-yourself Del here. Hola a todos. Just an update to continue on our searchlight feature here. It operates off of motion, so maybe at some point off to my right here, somebody coming in, it'll light up. One of the really nice features about it that I did not explain last time is that you're driving the car up the driveway, you get to a certain point, it's at night, dark, the light comes on. It's really bright. It looks bright now, but at night it's really intensely looking. And so that's another feature to it. You don't have to fiddle around driving into the garage and coming in alongside the house in the dark. It comes, it lights up at a certain point. And same thing for, say, taking groceries out of the car at night. It lights up, and you can see your way better. You're carrying things. You're doing things, and it's just a little more of a safety feature and an idea that it's just a better way of doing it. Do-it-yourself Del here, and I'm just by way of explaining that I am sort of a slob. Even though I have a dryer, I tend to dry my socks on the edge of the washer this way. And even though I have closets and previously three racks, which are gone now, but clothes racks, but I tend to hang jackets that I know I'm going to be wearing on the racks in the utility room here. And oh, and also, as you can see, I got a lot of belts, and I don't know where else to put them, so I put them all here. I really like these, and so that's there. And this utility room has been cleaned up compared to what it used to be. This used to be our pegboard, and it had it all full of tools and stuff. It has some here now, but we pretty much cleaned it off and painted it and everything, and so it's pretty much. And then previously we talked about the floor, so that's got neatened up as well. And so this is just by way of trying to explain why things are the way they are. I tend not to use the dryer much, so I just hang things up and hope they dry and that kind of thing. And this is our Again, this is our dehumidifier, and we tend not to use it as much in the colder weather. But it is an aggressive beast. It'll take the humidity out of the air. It knows its business. And there, I guess that's another item there. So this video is just a kind of an update on things, an explanation of things that should have been said before. Del here, continuing with our miscellaneous items. This is again an update on previously on a pegboard. This was I think this was our first pegboard. We installed it in a corner, figuring that it wasn't gonna get in anybody's way or bother anything. And as you can see, it's pretty much in use. We've filled it up with items that we know for sure are going to be used, and it's just a question of reaching for them. Where previously it had to go outside to the tool shed or the garage to get things and search through boxes and underneath things, and you know, the weather is going to be coming up, and it's just a more convenient way of doing things. And again, this might not be forever. At some point maybe this will be taken down, but for now it's a matter of convenience and of savings time and so forth. It's an idea of just coming up with an idea. You think it might work, and things don't always work because it just doesn't play out the way you think it's gonna. But this pretty much was a work in progress, and it started with kind of a slow start, and then it picked up steam, and we pretty much, there's still more room here for items. And again, and then underneath there as well, like say an item like this comes in handy when you need to torque in a screw, when the gun that we previously advertised for doesn't have enough torque for it to finish it in. That'll do it. And so that's tucked underneath. This gets used a lot, grabbers. And so it's become sort of a tool room. Was a hall, now it's a hall / tool room, but it's working out pretty good. There are some items here that just when you need them, and this way you know where they are, and you know, they're situated in a certain way that you can reach for something and know that it's there. So that's that. So I hope this video, we cleared up a couple of things anyways, and added on what we in some cases added on what should have been said in the first time around, but this is and some of it's just updates. So it's a mixture of things. Call it miscellaneous. So we'll go adios for now. Tanto tiempo por ahora. So long for now.